Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a new delivery from eBay. Been looking forward to this one, although I am not impressed with how he shipped this. This is a Lionel 229, 1938, 1939, something like that, with its original tinder and caboose. I'm hoping it wasn't damaged in shipping because this box is not packed very well at all. So, in any case, I found this on eBay for $15. And I'm really curious to see what kind of condition it's actually in. Came with 3 pieces of original track, which I didn't need, but came with it. So here is the tinder that has been completely crushed. Here is the caboose. Well, not very impressed with this guy's packing at all. That's for sure. Here's the locomotive. No idea if this thing is even intact now. All right. There's the locomotive. It appears to be in one piece. It turns right enough. Well, it doesn't appear to be damaged. So let me pull the camera off the tripod and take a look at this. But I'm definitely sending this guy a message about the packing. All right, so camera off the tripod. Move the tripod out of the way and turn the power on. So here is the Lionel 229. This is 1938, 1939, something like that. Appears to be in fair condition. It doesn't appear to have been damaged in shipping. The question, of course, is it going to run? Let's find out. It's buzzing. Well, it's buzzing, and that's all it's doing. So I will have to, let's see if we can't get this running real quick. It could be dirty wheels, haven't checked that yet. All right, I'm going to put a quick spray of WD-40 directly on the armature, like that, and see what that did for us. All right, get this on the rail. And still nothing, it appears. Buzzing, that's all it's doing. All right, so obviously it's not going to run. In any case, the locomotive, the caboose, which is in fair condition. The tinder, on the other hand, as you see, is virtually destroyed. Now, I probably can straighten this out, but this was just bad packaging, as you can tell. Anyway, I want to do a quick unboxing on this. Just dreadful, dreadful packaging. I can't believe anybody would mail something that's this heavy, packed so badly. Anyway, dead as a hammer. So I'll see what I can do to get this running. In any case, a Lionel 229 Now you see these things on eBay for 150 bucks. So I was really curious to see what kind of condition this is in. I got this for $15, and it is in actually fairly decent condition physically. There's no damage to it that I see. The push rods are intact. I don't see any damage to this at all, which is good. It's also very surprising considering the condition of this tender. Now in the original photos, this tender is in perfect condition. And as you see, it's been absolutely munched. It's been shipped in just an unpacked box. I mean, a couple of sheets of newspaper, and that was it. So it's been crushed in shipping, obviously. So I can probably straighten it out either way. It shouldn't have happened. This is an old set. I mean, 1938. That's a long time ago. And for someone to treat these things so poorly, or to pack them so poorly, is just absolutely ridiculous. In any case, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'm really unhappy with this guy right now. So, if I can get this running, it'd be a different story. But really unhappy with the way the guy shipped this. I'll be sending him a message in just a few minutes. In any case, this thing's dead as a hammer. It's buzzing, and that's all it's doing. So, got to get it sorted out, find out what the problem is with it. It's very likely just dirt, grime, oxide, and this thing's been sitting, as you can see, for years and years and years. Anyway, I just want to do an unboxing video. I'll do a follow-up and see if we can get this thing going. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. The reason no one bid on this is because he had it listed as antique old electric train. That was it, and so no one really ever saw it. Anyway, like I said, these 229s are actually fairly expensive. To go on eBay and actually find one, you're looking at 100 bucks, 129 bucks, 159 bucks in some cases. So I'll see what I can do to get this running. In the meantime, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. Really upset with this guy. You know, this is just bullshit. That's all you can say about it. This is just absolutely terrible packaging. So, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.